Hey guys, Mr. Thibodeau here. So I want to go over the manipulatives and how to use this and what we're doing here. Okay. So for this investigation, I want you to do 1 through 30. Okay, up to here. You don't need to do the extensions, but I do want to show you how to do the manipulatives. So grab at least one blank piece of paper, and we're going to draw circles. Okay. Really, fractions can be anything, but circles are nice and easy. Okay. Oops. One. I'm going to do mine pretty medium size, so I have a lot of them. You could do larger circles, okay? But if you're doing a larger circle, make sure they're all larger, okay? Because it's going to confuse the whole project if they're not all about the same size. And in fact, what I would actually suggest you do is go ahead and cut out your first circle. Let's make this a little bit more even. I decided to go a little larger than the circle I drew. Once you have that, go ahead and copy it down a bunch. Or even, if you have sharp enough scissors, go ahead and fold your paper a number of times. That should about do it when it's like this, okay? Now let's go ahead and we'll draw our circle. Okay. Now with that done, I'm going to go ahead and cut out the circle. You can do it any which way. The main goal is to get at least 8 pretty even circles, okay? More even they are, the better. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a bunch more, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut 1 in half, 1 in thirds, so there's roughly 3 equal portions, 1 in fourths. The fifths is going to be kind of hard to do. You have to, you can't just cut it in half for it to really be even. You have to do like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, that's not even. Let's do a new one. We're going to do I think if we do it like, well, fifths are going to be hard. Luckily, you don't have to deal with fifths, so don't worry about it. We'll just ignore fifths. 6 are easy. Cut it in half, and then from here we cut it each bit into thirds. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 8s are the ones we're going to use the most. Cut it in half, and then cut each one of those in half. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now from here, you can have these extras lying around if you need to. You go ahead and that's a half. Go ahead and let's actually mark these, because otherwise you might get them mixed up once they're no longer part of it. Okay. So this is one of two pieces, and that's one of two pieces. Together they're a whole. Okay. 1 of 6, 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 1 of 3, 1 of 3, 1 of 3, 1 of 4, 1 of 4, 1 of 4, 1 of 4. Okay. So now we cut these in half, and we will have our manipulatives. Keep these together so that way you don't lose them, because it'd be a pain to make them again. But they'll be helpful for you to be able to solve all the questions. If you feel like you can go ahead and do this without the manipulatives, I'm not going to force you to use them. But 1 through 30 are what you're doing. If you're struggling with the manipulatives, come see me, and I'll either, I think I have some that I can just send you home with, or we will figure out something else, okay? Now, of course, I made these myself, so they're not identical as they should be. Each one of these 1/8 should be absolutely identical, and they're not, but they'll be good enough. Okay? So from now here, you should be able to combine them to get what you need. Okay? So you got 3/3. Okay? And if we had 2/6, these two together should equal or be about the same as, so 1/3 cut in half is the same as 2/6. Okay? That's kind of what they want you to know, want you to get at. Okay. All right. That should be everything you guys need. Yeah, have a good one. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.